Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I am getting ready to make a credit card payment. So I'm going to go through my expenses for the month, pull out the money from the funds, go deposit it, and make my payment for my credit card. My statement date is a few days away, so I'm going to get it paid before the statement generates, and so I'll leave like $40 on there. So it shows that I've been using the credit card, but I don't accrue the interest and I don't have a balance. So all that will report is the $40 instead of this big amount. Okay. So I went ahead and gone in and categorized all the expenses. So now I just need to add them up and pull them from each sinking fund. So first up, let's go ahead and do our business expenses. And that comes out to $58.47, $85.44, $6, $38.65, $164, and $50.91. And so that's a total of $340.11. And so I'm going to pull it out of this binder here, and we're going to take 100, 200, 300. We'll go ahead and pull 4. And I'll put the change back. Let me see. Yeah, I have this change over here to the side, this 45, so we'll put this in here. And then I'll add another 15 later. Okay, so that's it for this. So those are paid. So what I do next is I go in and grab my pen. Oh, it's dead. Just my luck. Okay, so let's go ahead and disconnect our Apple Pencil. So we'll just check it off with our finger. So all these business expenses are paid. Okay, so let me have that money here. All right, so next up we are going to do our family time. It looks like there's only one there. And so we'll be taking $6 out. It's $5.40. I don't keep changing my funds, so it will have to be $6 or as close to it as I can get. So a 5 will have to do. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and write on my tracker. Today I took out my credit card payment of $5, which leaves me $270. Okay. And that's why I love that these are cut, because you can just slide them in and out with ease. Okay. So family time is good. So next up we have Jasmine's Essentials. Let's go through those. So here we have $88.97 plus $62.80. Okay, that's it. So I need $151.77 out of my funds. So that's $152. So let's see if we can do that. So there's 100, 20, 40, 52. Perfect. So we took away $152. So let's do $797. Whoops, if I could type. $797 minus 152. leaves me with $645. Okay. So, Jasmine's funds are done. Alrighty. So next up is our bills. So we paid Netflix with this card, and I think that's it. So out of bills, I need to take $15. Okay. So again, just gonna note it here, minus 15 for our credit card. 60, I knew that. 260. Okay, so our bills, I pay my bills are paid. Okay, so next up is our miscellaneous fund, and from this fund we need to pull out $854, $1347, $1606, $1554, and $1562. So that's $69.23, so $70. Let's see if we can do that. We have 65. That'll work. So again, we're gonna do minus 65. That leaves us with $200, and that was for a credit card. Okay, so here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So, oh, look at me. I did these on separate days. So I did my own expenses in blue and pink. So let me go back and do these last two. I knew there was more. So $54.47 plus $35.51. So that's $90 more I need to take out of my fund, which I knew I probably couldn't do. So I'll take 100, put a 10 back in here. And subtract $90 more. Which leaves us with $555 in this fund here. Okay. Alrighty, so check. And oh, we did family time already. And then that one already paid back. So have our money now. All right, so there's our funds. So let's go ahead and add up what we should be taking to the bank. Okay, so we have $58.47,
$5.40, $88.97, $85.44, $15.14, $6, $165, $62.80, $62.80, $54, $164, $54.47, $13.47, $16.06, $15.47, $15.57, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47, $15.47,
$91. So that's $671.63. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80. So now all this money can go back. I needed to put 15 in. Okay, I'll figure it out. Anyway, this can go back in the accounts I pulled too much from. So we're gonna take this $680 to the bank and pay this credit card bill, okay? And so again, this is just to help with credit. I'm trying to rebuild my credit, so I do it this way so that I'm eligible for an upgrade from a secured card to a regular card with this account. I got this secured card in an effort to build credit, and so I'm using it this way for that reason, okay? So if y'all have any questions about this, just leave them down below. Y'all know I'll try to get back to y'all as soon as I can. Make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram. The giveaway will be posted next week, and so I'm super excited for the winner. And that's it, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.